I invite the next President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, by the grace of God, Atiku, to speak to this audience. Thank you.
On behalf of my delegation, I want to thank Your Royal Highnesses for the opportunity given to us to pay you this courtesy call. As you know, from whatever part of Nigeria we come from, our traditional institutions are respected. We respect them and we also defer to them. This visit is no different from any other. We are here to pay you our respects, our courtesies, and also to seek for your prayers and blessings in whatever we seek to do. Therefore, Your Royal Highnesses, we want to thank you very much indeed for according us this audience. We know many of you have traveled from long distances and with a lot of challenges, fuel scarcity, currency exchange, but we are still able to come here and witness this occasion. So we are indeed very, very grateful for your attendance. And we thank you very much, and we pray for your long lives and also for the prosperity of your various kingdoms. We want to assure you, you are not new to PDP. What PDP has been able to achieve in Enugu State is what PDP is going to achieve at the federal level. Particularly, we will ensure the unity of this country, the security of this country, and the inclusiveness of all our diverse parts of this country in the government that we are going to form. Of course, we are also quite aware of the serious economic challenges facing Nigeria. PDP has done it before. It has brought prosperity. It has brought economic development between 1999 and 2015, and you can trust us to do it again. So we thank you very much indeed for this opportunity. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was the golden voice of Mr. President by the grace of God.
As we normally say in Nigeria, let me stand on the established protocol. I've written down my statement, and I want to read it out. A factual and undiluted political history of our country's present republic have only massive unemployment, generalized insecurity, dehumanization of our indigents by law enforcement agencies, and the resultant youth restiveness and agitation to show for the massive votes. It is against the backdrop of this that we welcome you on this courtesy call. Unpredictably, we have received a sumptuous dish of the often repeated promises from you, PDP. If our late brother, Professor Chinua Achebe, were to be here, he would have simply advised you to go and count your teeth with your tongue. Everything considered, our hope for a better Nigeria compels us to remain engaged and pray. Pray for the peaceful, free, fair, and credible presidential election, which would produce the best candidate irrespective of his political party. I thank you.
For the people